Parang nagkagansilyo ka lang dyan. Rosario.
Nagko-cross-stitch.
Okay.
Alamin na natin kung anong dala ni Stewardess Seda.
Hey, you're wearing shades today.
Yes, sir. If Tito Joey has cold sores, I have sore eyes.
Oh my gosh.
Oh my goodness. biro mong lumayas pa yun. So what do you have for us in line with your sore eyes?
While I have sore eyes, I cook panucha.
Wow!
Panucha with peanuts.
With plenty of peanuts.
Yeah, are the peanuts delicious?
Yes, sir. My peanuts are clean and delicious.
Are you sure it's clean?
Yes, sir. It's clean. Yes, sir.
Why is it clean?
Because I washed it, sir.
Okay, you watch
How
peanuts.
often?
Huh?
How often? Every day?
Every day, sir.
Every day, yeah. It looks
It's wet.
delicious.
This is dry.
Yeah, you wanna try it? No, cannot be. Cannot be.
Bad for
the
Sango.
sores. And this one, sore eyes. You stay away, okay? Okay. Ibid God.